So today I'm going to show you basic beginner breaks, single, double and triple. Don't forget these are not the normal single, double and triple breaks. Go and watch my video on those to see how to do the breaks. And the only difference with these basic beginner ones and the normal ones are that we omit the shuffle at the beginning of each of them. So I'm not going to do these slowly, as I've already demonstrated the normal single, double and triple breaks. So go and look at those if you want to see how to do them slowly. It's just this is a good one to know in case an absolute beginner shows you them and you want to know what they actually are. So, single beginner basic break. Just omit the shuffle from the normal single break. So we've got hop, spring shuffle, step shuffle, full change. 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 And round the other way. Hop, spring shuffle, step shuffle, full change. 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 So now we're going to do the double beginner basic break. So go and look at double normal break and just omit the shuffle at the beginning. And hop, tap, spring shuffle, step shuffle, full change. 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 And the other way. And hop, tap, spring shuffle, step shuffle, full change. 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 And finally, triple basic beginner break. Remember, triple is a shuffle out to the side. And hop, shuffle, spring shuffle, step shuffle, full change. 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 And the other way. And hop, shuffle, spring shuffle, step shuffle, full change. 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 Look out for my next series of time steps, which will be time steps with no shuffles, all shuffles omitted. So go on to that one for your next series of time steps. Don't forget to subscribe. Please share this video with any of your tap friends. And don't forget to comment below if you're enjoying my series. Until next time, goodbye.